I have made over $660 in less than 3 months from referral alone, aside from the 13 different ways that I made money on Popo. I don't want to even give you all the numbers of how much I've withdrawn so far on this app. I'm kind of scared, but I will just share with you from referral alone, something that anyone can do. And if you watch this video till the end, I've also answered some of you that maybe one way or the other you have referred people but you have not gotten your earning. Don't worry, watch this video till the end. I'm going to explain to you why and how you can stop making that mistake. And even if you are a total beginner, you don't know anything about the app I'm talking, don't worry, grab your chair, carry popcorn and start chewing. Carry a pen and paper. I'm going to explain to you in details. If you have been watching my video before, you would know that I am one person that will simplify the process for you so that you can also earn. So if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, cryptocurrency. You are welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So once you have registered and signed up to the Popo app, and in case you are new, you have not yet signed up, the link to sign up is in the description, and there is a link to Telegram that you will join so that I can be answering your questions. So all you need to do is click on the invite, and then you are going to see invite now. When you click on it, you are going to see your own unique referral link. That is what you will copy to share for people so that you can also be making more money on the app by inviting people to come and join. And how you will receive your points, your earning, is when you click on the invite, you are going to see available for today. You click and receive, and voila, this is 30,000 points, which is $3. So that is how I make my own money. I have made a detailed video explaining to you how the referral work and how you can be receiving all this. So if you need it, let me know in the comment section. And of course, as you can see, the point has added from $10 to $13. And of course, they will always be notifying you whenever there is a message that someone has make you earn or somebody have joined. So now that we have learned how to refer persons, how we can receive our earning from the referral that we have referred, so the next thing is, why is it that some people refer and they don't get earning? This is it. Some of you, when you copy your referral link and send to a person, there are some people when they click and go to download the app, when they now see the name of the app, maybe one thing or the other, that data finish, or they receive a notification and they went there and come back. By the time they download it, it will no longer record that you are the person that referred them. That's one. Secondly, some people, even when you refer them, immediately they download the app, they did not sign up. Some people just download and leave it, then later on they will come to sign up. If they do that, that means it's not going to be recorded that you are the one that referred them. So those are the things. So that is why you need to encourage people, when you give them your referral link, they should download immediately and sign up. And then the next question is, I see a lot of people asking, is it true that you will earn $14 for referring one person? Yes, it is true. And to be honest with you, it's not at once. It depends on how active the person you refer is. So like, as you have seen me grabbing 30,000 coins, which is $3, because 10,000 coins is equivalent to $1. I know you are blushing for my nails, right? Thank you so much. So yes, so it's not that you are going to get $14 for referring one person at once. How it works, how the Popo or Von app referral works is this. If you refer a person to the app and the person download immediately and did their face authentication, the first thing you are going to get is, once the person do 3 hours tax, you are going to get 10,000 points, which is $1. If the person do up to 5 hours tax within 5 days, you are going to get another 10,000 points, which is another $1. If the person is active within 7 days, you are going to get another 10,000 points, which is equivalent to another $1. If the person earn up to $10, you are going to get another $1, which is 10,000 points. If the person make up to $20, you are going to still earn another $1, which is 10,000 points. If the person make up to $100, you are going to still get another dollar, which is 10,000 points. If the person make up to $200, you are going to get another dollar, which is 10,000 points. So that is how the referral works. For some of you that just refer someone and go and sit down without making the person to be active, waiting for your agent. My agent is not always coming online for me to come and do my tasks. Sister, race. Okay, and that is why again I'll practically show you how you can also open a party even if you just join today. Okay, so how I was able to get this massive amount of followings is because as a daughter of Apostle Joshua Salman that always tell us to build a system, like currently I can be sleeping and I'm waking up. I just woke up. Before I go to sleep, I grab 8,000 points, which is 80,000 points, which is $8. As I woke up, as you see now, I just grab 30,000 points, which is $3, because I build a system for myself. I did not sleep and wake up and find myself like this. That is why I'm one person that if I show you what I make, I will tell you that it is not my mind. You need to put in the work. Okay, I build a system for myself. And how do I do that? Yes, I will give you my secrets. I love you that much. Please, if you have not liked this video, please like it. I am one person that my content, I don't like it to be boring. We'll be gisting as you are learning, okay? Because without fun, all work without fun on that. So they say make Jack a dull boy, right? So thank you so much for putting up with all my jokes. What I did is this. As I found out about the app, I check and see that it is legit. And I know I have an audience, so I decided to talk about it. I now do this. I create content, explain to people how to make use of the app. And I did not stop at that. I now create a Telegram group that when anybody watch my video on YouTube or on TikTok, the person can click on the link and it will take the person to the Telegram. On that Telegram, I put a welcoming message. When you click on the welcoming message, there is a referral link. When you click, you download the app. When you download the app, I also put that after you download the app, see how the app works, see how you will be able to make money. See the different ways you can make money. See the tax you can be doing. See how you can do your tax. So for me sleeping and waking up, I stand up and grab $3. It might look small for some people's eyes, or for me, it's big. Mother of three is not easy, carrying a lot of weight, a load on my head, right? So that is the system I put together for myself, and you can also work it out. Like one thing I always do that make me to get to where I am right now is the fact that anywhere I go, if I see someone that is doing something that is getting traction, I will humble myself, I will carry pen and paper, and be the monitoring spirit of your success. And then see what you are doing right, and then see what I can do, and then add my own onion to it to make it spicy and make it sweet for the mouth to eat. So yes, this is what I do. For referral alone, I have made video 13 ways to make money on app. If I have made over 30 videos about this app now, I will drop it in the description of this video. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Now I used to reply with even a video. I can reply you with a video right now, or right here on YouTube. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask about referral, about the app. And if you are new, the link to sign up is in the description of the video, and I will drop it in the comment section. I have done a video on how to become an agent, how you can play games on the app. I'll have a playlist of all the games, about 4 games that you can play. I'll drop it in the description of this video, and I'll also drop it in the comment section. Yes, and of course, you can open a party. How you can open a party is simply when you go on the live, just click on the party. When you click on the party, you click on go live. When you click on go live, you select the seats that you want, okay, that you want to open. As you click on the seat that you want to open, also choose and accept the terms and condition. Once you do that, voila, you can start going live on the Popo app. Yes, it's that simple. So I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.